I've been receiving a lot of messages about the national disaster that we just had with the hurricane. And if it is a national disaster, yes, you can deduct them on your Schedule A under casualty and loss. So say that you have a $250,000 casualty, you get $100,000 with insurance, you're going to have $150,000 that you're going to be able to deduct on your Schedule A. Also, you need to know the value of your home before it happened and the value of your home after it happened. Those are two things that is going to be very important information that will be needed to be done on your tax return. So if you have a lot of damage because of the hurricane that just came through, yes, you can deduct it on your taxes, but you have to also deduct the money that you're going to get from your insurance on top of that as well. So if the loss is $250,000, you got $100,000 in insurance, you're going to deduct $150,000. If you have any further questions, please feel free to schedule an appointment with the link below.